Hi students, welcome to the class. Now, today we are here in the class straight lines class 6. Now, today class is also one of the important concepts I am going to discuss. That is, the first one is not that much of important. It just take it easy. This is form. Symmetric form of straight line. There is no use for this one, except it will be used for the another proof. Okay. Now, symmetric form of a straight line. We know the equation of straight line. When a point and slope is given, what is the formula? When a point and a slope is given, then y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Okay. Now, slope can be written as, if inclination is given, then slope is equal to tan theta, that is x minus x1. Okay. Now, tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta into x minus x1. Okay. Where theta is inclination. Where theta is inclination. What is meant by inclination? If a line intersects with some angle theta in anti-clockwise direction, that angle is said to be inclination of the line. Now here theta belongs to 0 to pi minus pi by 2, minus pi by 2, or you can write like theta belongs to 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. I will explain. 0 to pi by 2 union pi by 2 to 0. I already told you inclination means inclination angle is always in between 0 to pi only. Okay. Now see here, y minus y1 by sin theta is equal to x minus x1 by cos theta. Why I wrote like this? I will explain. You see here, inclination. I told you about inclination. If it is theta, this is called inclination, and this is in between 0 to pi only. But here is denominator is sin theta and cos theta. Suppose if theta is equal to pi by 2, then what happens here? Theta is equal to pi by 2, then cos pi by 2 is 0. Denominator 0, not defined. If theta is equal to 0, then what happens here? Sin 0, 0. So, theta value 0 to pi excluding pi by 2. That means excluding pi by 2. Or you can write like here, you can write 0 to pi by 2 union pi by 2 to pi. So, this will be the concept of symmetric form. Symmetric form. దీనివల్ల పెద్దగా మనకి యూజ్ ఏమీ లేదు అసలు. సిమెట్రిక్ ఫామ్ ఎక్కడ ఎగ్జామ్లో కూడా ఏం అడగరు. బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు నో దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ సిమెట్రిక్ ఫామ్ ఆఫ్ ద లైన్. సిమెట్రిక్ ఫామ్ ఆఫ్ ద లైన్. సో ఐ విల్ గివ్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. Passing through minus 2, 3 and inclination pi by 3, find line, find equation of line in symmetric form. In symmetric form. Clearly they will mention write in symmetric form. Okay. If not, there is no necessity to write this form. Okay. Just listen. Symmetric form. What is symmetric form? Here x1 y1 is this one. Y minus y1 by sin theta is equal to x minus x1 by cos theta. So this will be the form. Now just to simplify, y minus 3 by sin pi by 3 means root 3 by 2 is equal to x plus 2y. Cos pi by 3 means 1 by 2. So this is the equation of the straight line in symmetric form. ఈ ఫామ్ వల్ల మనకి ఏం ఉపయోగం లేదు, ఉందా లేదా తెలుసుకోవడం వరకే. ఇది ఎప్పుడు ఎగ్జామ్లో ఎప్పుడు అడగలేదు, అడగరు. బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు నో దీనివల్ల ఉపయోగం ఏంటి, వాట్ ఈస్ ద యూజ్ అంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఫార్ములాకి ఇది వెరీ 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, యూ జస్ట్ note it down. This is called symmetric form. Next, very important one is, now I am going to discuss the very important. If theta is not given directly, we can find the symmetric form. I will give one more example. Example 2. Example 2. Find equation of line in symmetric form. Find the equation of line passing through minus 1 comma 4 and tan inverse 3 by 4 is inclination. Inclination. Find equation of line in symmetric form. See, find the equation of a line in symmetric form passing through minus 1 comma 4 whose inclination is this one. Okay. Now, tan inclination means theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. That implies tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Am I right? It is a tan inverse. You take this side, that will become tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. So tan theta is equal to 3 by 4 means this is 4 and this one is 4. 3, 4. And what about hypotenuse? 5. Now cos theta is equal to 4 by 5 and sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. So what about our point? X1 y1 is equal to minus 1 comma 4. Now the equation is y minus y1. What is y1? Y minus 4 by sin theta is equal to x minus x1 by cos theta. That is y minus 4 by 3 by 5 is equal to x plus 1 by 4 by 5. We just write like this only. So that is enough for symmetric form. Okay.